Hello everyone, welcome to Rome Tech. Today we will be discussing a very common problem in Excel, duplicate entries. It can mess up your data analysis, skew your results, and frankly, just be a pain to deal with. In this video, we'll be showing you several easy and effective methods to prevent duplicate entries in Excel. We'll cover everything from using data validation to conditional formatting, and even a few more advanced techniques for those of you who are a bit more Excel savvy. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be equipped with all the tools you need to keep your spreadsheets clean and accurate. But before we dive in, if you find this video helpful, please give it a like. And if you're new to Rome Tech and want to see more Excel tips and tricks, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of our future videos. Okay, let's get started with preventing duplicate entries in Excel. Section 1. Data validation, the first line of defense. Alright. The first and perhaps simplest method to prevent duplicates is using data validation. This allows you to set rules for what kind of data can be entered into a cell or a range of cells. We'll use it to prevent users from even entering duplicates in the first place. Asterisk example, let's say we have a column for customer IDs. We want to make sure that each ID is unique. Asterisk. First, select the column where you will be entering your customer IDs, or the relevant data. Go to the Data tab on the ribbon. Then, click on Data Validation. A data validation window will pop up. In the Allow drop-down, choose Custom. Now, we need to enter a formula to check for duplicates. In the Formula field, enter this formula, equals COUNTIF, $A, A1, equals 1 replace A with your actual column, and A1 with the first cell in your selected range. What this formula does is counts the number of times the value in the current cell appears in the entire column. If it appears only once, which means it's unique, the formula returns true, and the entry is allowed. Now, let's add an error alert to inform the user if they enter a duplicate. Go to the Error Alert tab. Check the Show Error Alert after invalid data is entered box. Choose a style, I suggest Stop, which prevents the entry. In the Title field, you could type Duplicate Entry. And in the error message field, you could type something like, this customer ID already exists. Please enter a unique ID. Click OK. Now, try entering the same customer ID twice in your selected column. You should see the error message pop up, preventing you from entering the duplicate. Pretty neat, right? Section 2. Conditional formatting highlighting existing duplicates. Now, let's say you already have data in your spreadsheet, and you want to identify any existing duplicates. Conditional formatting is your friend here. Asterisk using the same customer ID example asterisk. Select the column containing your customer IDs. Go to the Home tab on the ribbon. Click on Conditional Formatting, then hover over Highlight Cells Rules, and finally, select Duplicate Values. A small window will pop up. You can choose how you want the duplicate values to be highlighted, for example, with a red fill. Choose your preferred formatting, then click OK. Excel will immediately highlight all the duplicate customer IDs in your column. This makes it super easy to spot and correct any errors. Section 3. Removing duplicates, cleaning up the mess. Okay, so you've identified the duplicates, now you want to get rid of them. Excel has a built-in feature for removing duplicates. Select the entire range of data that you want to clean. Make sure you select all relevant columns, not just the column with the duplicates. Go to the Data tab. Then, click on Remove Duplicates. A window will pop up. Make sure the correct columns are selected to be checked for duplicates. Usually, you'll want to leave all columns checked to ensure you're removing the entire row of duplicate data. If you only want to remove based on a single column, uncheck the others. Click OK. Excel will then tell you how many duplicate values were found and removed, and how many unique values remain. Section 4. Advanced Technique, using formulas and filters, optional. Asterisk this section is for more advanced users. Skip it if you're a beginner. Asterisk. For more control, you can use a combination of formulas and filters to identify and manage duplicates. Example, let's say you want to create a separate list of only the unique customer IDs. Create a new column next to your customer ID column. Let's call it is unique. In the first cell of the is unique column, enter this formula, equals if, COUNTIF, $A, A1, equals 1, yes, no again, replace A and A1 with your actual column and first cell. Drag this formula down to apply it to all rows. This will mark each row with yes if the customer ID is unique and no if it's a duplicate. Now you can use the filter function to filter the data and show only the rows where is unique is yes. This will give you a list of all the unique customer IDs. You can then copy and paste this list to another sheet. Conclusion. And there you have it. Several methods to prevent and manage duplicate entries in Excel. We covered data validation to prevent duplicates from being entered in the first place, conditional formatting to highlight existing duplicates, the remove duplicates feature to clean up your data, and even an advanced technique using formulas and filters. Hopefully, these techniques will help you keep your spreadsheets clean, accurate, and error-free. Remember to choose the method that best suits your needs and the complexity of your data. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to RoamTech for more Excel tutorials. Also, let us know in the comments below which method you found most useful or if you have any other Excel tips to share. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.